So I do breath work almost every single day. For me, it's just one of my integral practices. But that being said, there are days when time is a little bit tighter and I need practices that are going to bring me that energy that I get from my morning breathwork routine, but I don't have a lot of time. So we're going to do a short routine together that involves a little bit of activating breath, a short breath hold to see if in less than 5 minutes I can get you the equivalent of that cup of coffee. I'm not saying you can't have your coffee too, but maybe this will give it that super boost that's really going to push you through your morning and the rest of your day with a natural high. Okay, so we're going to use a little bit of power breath. And the way we'll work is we're going to do deep inhales through the nose, followed by exhales through the mouth. Okay, just like that. We're going to do a round of 10, followed by a breath hold on the inhale. Okay, so 10 deep breaths like I just did, followed by a hold on the inhale. But these are going to be shorter holds. So instead of long rounds with long breath holds and a lot of breath cycles, we're going to do 3 short rounds of 10 breaths each with 10-second breath holds. And I just want you to tune in and pay attention to how this brings some activation, some energy into your system. Okay? Now, don't do this practice unless you're in a place where you can feel safe and be still, and there's nothing around you that's going to distract you, and you're in a comfortable position. All right, so get comfortable. 3 rounds of 10 breaths with some real short breath holds in between. Okay, seated position, sitting up straight. Let's do a quick, gentle inhale through the nose. Exhale, drop the shoulders. Inhale, straighten the back slightly. Exhale, drop the shoulders a little bit more. And just settle into your body. Notice the natural breathing pattern. And we're going to begin with this first round in 3, 2, 1. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Inhale, release halfway. Inhale, exhale. In, out. In, release. In, exhale. Last one. In, release. A big inhale in all together. And hold right there at the top. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Just settle into some natural breath for a moment in between rounds. Notice any shifts in energy. Be present. And let's go into round 2 in 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and out. In, release. Breathe in, exhale. In all the way, exhale all the way. In, release. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and out. In, out. Last one. Breathe in. Exhale. Let's breathe all the way in together. And hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Feel that energy. Just notice your body. Notice any sensations. Breathing naturally for just a moment. We got one more round to go. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. In and out. In all the way. Release all the way. Breathe in. Exhale. And in. And out. And in. And out. And in. Release. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Breathe in. Release. And in all together. One last little breath hold. Hold it there at the top for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Now give yourself a moment to just rest in the after effects of this practice, sitting still, noticing the breath and where it wants to settle with the natural breathing rate. In and out through the nose if you can. Just let all that energy settle naturally, finding its own natural balance point. We brought in a lot of vitality. Now let's let it spread into every cell of your body and being. The longer you can give yourself in this after practice, the better. But just notice any shifts in energy. And I invite you to bring something into your mind that you have in front of you today. And can you consciously channel the energy that you've just brought into your system towards bringing the most positive version of yourself into that thing in front of you today? Maybe it's a meeting, maybe it's a task you have to get done today. Maybe it's something to do with your relationship or a project that you're working on, but just see if you can focus this energy that we just brought in into that with your most positive intention, your most embodied self, your most present self, approaching that today. Give yourself a few minutes to rest if you can, but when you're ready, listen to your body, move back into your day, however your body is asking you to, and good luck. You can come back to this practice again and again when you need that little natural boost to accompany your morning. Good luck today.